Hello everyone and welcome to the Afford Ever Watch channel. Today we're unboxing a brand new budget-friendly PARNSRPE watch from AliExpress. This is a full lume dial model with a black date window and automatic movement. Let's see if it's something you'd fancy. It's designed in the classic turtle diver style, featuring an aluminium bezel insert and a screw-down crown, which is better for water resistance. You get a 120-click unidirectional bezel with a dual time zone minute scale. The brand also offers several alternative bezel styles. Like most reviews point out, the PARNSRPE bezel has no backplay, but some users mention a misalignment with the inner chapter ring. Let's take a closer look. It has a yellow Mercedes-style hour hand, black indices, and a matching black chapter ring, which in this unit seems to be well aligned. There's a noticeable AR blue coating on the crystal, which is sapphire. Now, let's listen to the bezel action. It's smooth, but the clicks aren't exactly crisp. The lighting here may be a bit strong, so let's focus on the black date window. This is quite a rare design choice. If you're into all black watches, this might be up your alley. The date looks fine, not high-end, but works. Hand setting is also smooth. The NH35 movement remains reliable. Let's turn to the case back. It's smooth with no engravings or logos, and there's a protective film over it. The real standout feature here is the lume dial. Let's have a look. Can you see that? In the shade, it glows with a yellow-green tone, likely C3 lume. This is how it looks in sunlight. The Air sapphire glass gives you excellent clarity of the dial. The stainless steel case is brushed, so there's no flashy mirror polish here. Back indoors, you'll see a strong lume reaction, definitely worthy of being called C3. There are lots of bezel options, standard black dive timing, a yellow 20-minute dive scale, mint green, which is a bold combination, all black, a faded coffee brown look, and even a gold tone bezel, though it loses a bit of that vintage charm. It measures 14 mm in thickness. The lug width is stated as 20 mm, but appears closer to 19.2. The case diameter is around 41 mm, so it's not overly chunky. All in all, this watch is a solid value at its price. It's lightweight, comfortable, and stylish for everyday wear. If you're a fan of black date dials and full lume, I'd recommend giving it a try. Under $100. Absolutely worth it. If you're interested, click the link below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more reviews.